Can you transfer your Amazon gift card balance to debit card? Today we are going to talk about if you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your debit card. So suppose you have an Amazon gift card and now you don't want the actual gift card, you want some money that you want to spend somewhere else. So suppose you have this. So there are two things that you can try. This the first thing is you can, flip or resell this at the website called as Raise Marketplace. Now, Raise Marketplace is a website which allows you to buy and sell discounted gift cards, so you can sell your gift card right here. It might be able to help someone might be able to buy it and you get that money into your bank account directly. However, if this thing doesn't work, the second thing that you can try is you can try buying the gift card like Apple, or you can buy gift cards for Walmart, wherever you want to spend. As you guys can see, you can buy Walmart gift cards and other things, Uber Eats. So you just have to buy the right one according to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.